AirPods Pro 2, premium sound and advanced features. Today, we're diving deep into the latest features of the Apple AirPods Pro to experience even more immersive listening with the AirPods Pro 2 enhanced active noise cancellation. It effectively blocks out unwanted noise, allowing you to focus on your music or podcasts. Stay aware of your surroundings with adaptive transparency mode. It automatically adjusts the volume of ambient sounds to match your environment. Enjoy a more personalized spatial audio experience with the AirPods Pro 2. The earbuds automatically adjust the sound to match the shape of your head and ears. Never lose your AirPods again with Find My Network. It helps you locate your earbuds even when they're not connected to your device. Enjoy longer listening time with the improved battery life on the AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods Pro 2 2024 are a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking for premium wireless earbuds. With their enhanced features and improved performance, they're sure to impress. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share the video.